Meme coins are exploding everywhere, and I'm going to show you the way of the meme coins explosion. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5. Hope you're doing well. Hope all is good with you, man. Oh man, the meme coins, they're off and popping. I told you this summer was going to be meme coin season, and well, I told you so. Whew, boy, well, there's going to be lots of places where you can actually buy meme coins and actually trade meme coins, right? And one of the places I recommend is, of course, right, coinw.davincij15.com. Also, bybit.davincij15.com. Links in the description below. Head over and try out those exchanges. Meantime, let's take a look at some coins that have pumped. Now, I wanted to mention this in my group. I was buying dollar cost, averaging in, and then boom, it just went boom. Oh man, before I got a chance to mention it to my private group. Sorry guys. I knew this was going to happen and just didn't know when. And I was like dollar cost averaging a little bit, and I didn't get a whole lot, honestly, of the GME, right? But what should you do here? Well, it's not a lot you can do because this thing moved up straight up, and so you don't know if it's going to just like come back all the way back down or just continue higher. Odds are probably going to go higher, but no guarantees, and so it's just not worth a risk of that, in my personal opinion. But that's up to you. Up to you. It's only a $88 million market cap, and the meme coin season is not over. So don't be surprised if this thing all of a sudden jumps. Brett coin made an all-time high, pumped up to 12 cents. It's not finished going up, right? It was well over above the $1 billion market cap, and then it fell back down. And yeah, don't count out the Brett yet. It's just profit taking right now, right? A lot of people, millionaires, right, bought Brett down here for a couple $1 million, right, worth of Brett. And so yeah, they're probably taking profits up here very easily. So that's just the situation that we're having here. But then, Brett will continue higher. So, you have an opportunity here. Whenever it dumps, whenever these guys dump, you wait for them to finish dumping their coins and then pick up some Brett. Bear coin. Now, I don't have any Bear coin. I just heard about it today or yesterday, actually. And yeah, wow, Bear coin. It's the German coin, right? Yeah, it looks like it's breaking down here, or it just had a solid run, right, in the last couple of days, right? So thinking that it might just be breaking down here. We could see a little bit of a high here before we actually start to break down, because you can see the volume is dropping off here. It has a $165 million market cap. Yeah, but I would wait, see if you can get this thing at the cheap, because man, looking at the daily, right? Yeah, I mean, or even a weekly, it's just ridiculous, right? You don't want to be buying something that's just only going straight up, right? So you want to buy it when it's coming back down so that you can, get in on the ride up. Will Bitcoin continue? I don't know. The holders, there's very few holders for this kind of market cap, honestly. And, there's 10% holders, right? And stuff like that. That doesn't guarantee that they're going to dump on you, but, there's a lot of holders and only, like that have a large sum of the Bitcoin, and even with $10 million market cap, this is only 60% hold the rest. So let's wait and see what happens, right? Another coin that I donated a few coins from this particular meme coin. They donated a couple of them for me, and yeah, just seems to be going up and away. I think this thing has potential to do the 100 million just as quickly as Bitcoin did. So it's still not too late to buy some, but yeah, you might want to wait for some sort of pullback, but then it already happened here. Right. So not sure what you're going to do here, but maybe this pullback can actually give you another second chance, right? Because, you can see that there was a break of the uptrend here, and we could fail here on the rise, and then come back and retest the lows to make sure that these lows are actually valid. So I wouldn't go too far with that retest. I would say whatever the Fibonacci 61.8 level is, you might want to be a buyer from here to wherever it is, whatever the top is to the bottom here is the 61.8, and that's where you're buying. Waffles, you know what? I prefer my coins to actually consolidate, right? Then just go straight up. And Waffles gives you an opportunity to, you know, buy when people are just, you know, bored. I'm selling this thing now. Okay. Right. And then it's just one person at a time, a few people here selling because they're bored. They don't want to wait. They don't want to see the big upside potential. And it gives you the chance to get in. Unlike most of these where there's no chance to get in, you're like, okay, whatever. I'm not dealing with that. This gives you a chance to get in. We're going sideways for a while. And yeah, same with the Vinci coin, right? Lots of sideways action. So good luck. All right. With that said, let's go on to the news. Okay. A slow and painful death. Donald Trump accused Joe Biden of trying to kill Bitcoin and crypto. Well, obviously, governments want to kill Bitcoin and crypto because it's not in their best interest. But voting is a popularity contest and getting your own voting block. If you don't understand why, even though these people are going to talk BS about how they're going to provide support for crypto, watch Rules for Rulers, and then it'll explain why they're lying, right? Right? It explains it all, right? Donald Trump, the former U.S. president, who's on course for a showdown with his 2020 rival, President Joe Biden, this year, has warned Biden is trying to kill the U.S. crypto industry. Okay, that's nice. So is he. So is Trump, but whatever. Trump, who has recently begun accepting crypto campaign donations after making millions of dollars selling crypto-based digital trading cards, said Joe Biden wants Bitcoin and crypto in the U.S. to die a slow and painful death. If you can print money, obviously you do, right? And let's just move on with that. The monetary revolution is underway. KPMG. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, take your seat for a ride in the thrilling world of the digital assets. Yes, as you can see, the meme coins are just, I only showed you a few meme coins that are exploding. There's many out there that are exploding that just are going to continue going higher. And we're going to do some TA on Shiba shortly, but let's continue here. KPMG has deployed its antennas to capture signals from the rapidly changing financial markets. Yes, the financial markets will be irrevocably altered for the future, because I've realized that the meme coin mania is a new means of gambling. And since gambling, right, makes billions and billions, hundreds of billions of dollars each year, even more, and that's going into crypto. Yeah. You see the point. Okay. This report takes stock on the ongoing revolution where crypto, stablecoins, and CBDCs, central bank digital currencies, are redefining the rules of the game. Yes, it is. The game has been redefined. The emergence of digital assets in the corner of the financial Wild West. The cryptocurrencies are the new sheriff in town. Yes, Bitcoin and its companions play the cowboy of the economy, standing out for their volatility and also their disruptive potential. Oof. Man, if you are reading this and going, yeah, I guess they might be right. One of those people, you have no clue what's about to hit the financial industry. It's going to be bigger than the internet, right? Bigger than the internet. The Senate urges to pass landmark crypto bill after Biden vetoes resolution to overturn SEC rules. Okay, you know what? Honestly, this game, this political game is just, theater is just theater. Okay, guys. So either banks wanted to make this a fight, so it looks like they're trying to fight for your right for crypto, right? To make them look good, or it is, some other rival, right? The people who are printing money are just trying to stop this, and I don't know. Who cares? It's all BS anyways. And you have a right to own an asset that is digital. Like, really? Come on. And trade it. Like, get lost. Okay. An introduction to Bitcoin's layer 2 solutions. Okay, so this is a good article. If you don't know what the Bitcoin layer 2 is, it's basically, I'm going to wrap it up in really simple terms. Bitcoin is slow, and that's a good thing because you don't want a fast asset that that could break, right? Like, I don't know, sometimes online. And you can use, so a layer 2 of Bitcoin is something that will actually allow for faster transactions. But I do not agree, right? In this article, it says that maybe you could have like smart contracts. I think that's a bad idea, colossally bad idea. I think it should be transaction only based system. Okay, let's end the day with some TA. So we can see that Bitcoin might be reversing here, right? We're moving higher here and might not come down to the 65K. I was hoping that was the case, might be, but a reversal, interesting enough, it'll only take us, only take us up to, because I don't see like a flag, a bullish flag here. I can't say that there's a bull flag here. So we might only come back up to the 71K before we actually come back down again. So then we have to decide, Bitcoin has to decide up here whether it wants to break out. So you can try to jump it along here, but I would keep your stop a little bit tight because there's no volume here. So be careful, guys. Be very careful. Looking at Ethereum, well, Ethereum says, well, up we go, right? We can see clear uppy action here, right? Right here. So I would say, right there, yeah, maybe we have liftoff, even though, you know, Bitcoin looks a little bit weak on here. We have liftoff here from Ethereum. Shiba Inu almost broke above the 3,000 area, which would have gave it, well, it was 3,100 is where it really needs to break higher from, but somewhere around there. But, and yeah, we are failing, but that's okay. Shiba has broken its downtrend and it's holding the lower levels here. So I would say that an upward movement is in the cards, especially since the Bollinger Bands are tightening and things. A big move is coming for Shiba, and the meme coins cycle is here. So it's an obvious win for you to take along here. Unfortunately, it doesn't, the target is not that high. It's only 6,000-ish area. So please be careful when you are taking your, placing your bets here. That's the target. Doesn't mean it can't go higher. It can go higher, but I would not risk it beyond that, guys. That's my personal opinion with Shiba. Okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's episode. I hope you gained some value. And if you did, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.